Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this mini handbag card. This is it looks pretty small. I use my die cut machine to cut this out, but anyways, I will attempt to make a different one. Actually, the die is smaller than this size. I add on a piece right here, so let's get right into it. Right here I have all my pieces already cut, and for this one I cut off the flaps right here, so this one gonna be a bit different. I'm going to score them. So I started one, but I haven't finished it, so this one gonna look similar to this, so you can put a gift card down in there and give it as a gift to somebody. So my double-side tape is on, and I'm going to add some glue around those edges that do not get the tape. Make sure that it's lined up. Here we go. But this one gonna be able to lay flat. All I have to do is just do that, and just like that, make it lay flat for shipping. And it can fit in a 5x7 envelope, like hinge. Finish the edge in that side. There you go. Then you wanna glue these down. Glue the flaps down on the inside. So I'm gonna glue down these flaps, and I will be right back with you guys. So right here I add those two down. Wait till they're dried. I could use some double-sided tape, but now I'm going to add my designer paper. Right like this. Okay, I'm gonna glue that down, and I will be right back with you guys. So guys, there you have it. I added that on, and then I'll be adding these to the side. This one up here. I'll go ahead and add those. I'm using white because I have a lot of white cardstock. You can choose any color you want. And then now I'm about to add the handles. I'm just gonna bend this a little bit with my bone folder. And this is over where I add this one, but I'm going to add me some double-side tape. Cut here again. I'm gonna take this thing off. So right here I'm gonna add it, and right here. So I'm gonna add the other handle on the back, and I will be right back. So guys, there you have it. And the next thing is to add this little knob at the front. It is in the right direction. Some double-side tape. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna add those two knobs and these two arts. If I add some foam dots, I'm gonna add my two. I'll cut this over it. There you go. Just to kind of add that space right here. And the next thing that I'm going to add are these stickers, so that I can close that part. I got these from Temu. part to it, but I think I need to cover this part as well because I need to be able to close that. But the dots are a little bit bigger than what I'm using there, so I think I put on it backwards, but it's okay. That part is a little bit bigger. As I was saying, the dots are a little bit bigger, so I need to do something to cover it up. So I might can add this little tag, and there you have it. So here I have a gift card, and then we'll close it. This is it. There your mini handbag gift card holder, and then this is your mini handbag card. So they're matching. These are twins. As I said, down here I added a piece, so that's why it doesn't have the edges like those. I might have to just put them there. So inside here they can add notes. I'm gonna cover this part up that I added, as I can see those creases. And cover from here to there. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends and loved ones about Willoz Creations YouTube channel. Peace out. See you guys in the next video.